Yo, how are you people? Can I get some thumbs up here? The chat. Can I get some plus ones in the chat? Can I get some reactions? Just want to make this session a little fun today. Okay, so I hope everyone remembers about the assignment that I've assigned the day before yesterday, right? Does everyone remember about it? I don't see any. Okay, I see Zulfa has given a reaction. Anyone else? Okay, so we'll be calling out some random people and we'll ask you to show your website, which is already hosted. And we'll also be solving a few issues that you're facing at the moment. We'll be debugging the issue and we'll solve it as well. So no worries. If there's any doubts, you can ask. Okay. We'll start the session in a few minutes. We'll just wait for the others to join. Yeah. Does anyone here has any errors that they're facing? We can solve it right now. Any errors that you're facing currently, which you can't solve? Anything?
Good evening, bro.
Good evening, Santosh.
Uh, yeah. Today I have not joined using my lap as it is under some, you know, it has some issues like not suddenly. I don't know what happened from past half an hour. It is not starting. Maybe some hardware
Okay,
issue. So I
okay,
joined using
Santosh. It's
mobile
it's
now.
understandable. Okay, Santosh, it's not a problem.
Yeah, bro.
Yes. So anyone here are facing any issues regarding your code, regarding your website hosting, anything? If there is any if there's any issues, you can confront it right now, and we can try to fix the issue right now itself. Any issues, guys? Anything? It seems like yes, Abhi R. Yes, Abhi R. You can speak actually. You can also share your screen and tell me what the issue is. Abhi, you can share your screen and speak as well at the same time. You can speak.
Uh, I can't able to share my screen, bro.
1 second. Give me a minute. I'll change. Okay, try now.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is the error that you're facing currently. Hello, can you guys hear me? Okay, so have you hosted your website and it says page is not found. Okay. Okay, so can you open VS Code? Abhi, if you're trying to speak, I think it'll be more helpful for you if you can speak.
Yeah, can you hear my voice now?
Yes, okay.
Sorry, my mic was mute.
That's not a problem. It's not an issue. Okay, so you have Docker files actually. Yeah, okay, I can see that.
Can you repeat it once, bro? Hello. Can you see my screen, bro?
Maybe, that was just a small network issue. Yeah, can you open VS Code again? Okay. So did your website run locally? Was your website visible in your
Yeah,
local host?
yeah, bro, I
Can
run.
you can you type npm run build? Build, not dev. I want you to. Okay, see, your website is not even being able to host it locally.
But it was hosted recently, just a few minutes ago.
Can you scroll up in your terminal? Can you just zoom in and just scroll up to the terminal? Click Control and plus icon.
What's can, bro?
Control and plus. The plus button. Okay. Yeah. That's more than enough. Okay, that's too much. See, the request resource isn't available. Okay, your website is not even being able to host locally, as far as I can see here.
Okay.
Okay, so okay, what shall we do? So there's something wrong with your node
But
modules,
recently it was
or
hosted,
there's
bro.
npm error code, JSON pass. Okay, give me a minute. Let me look into it.
It's
Okay,
showing an
so
error, bro.
this, yeah, so this error generally comes because your package.json file is having some issues.
Yeah, it's showing
Okay,
three errors
so
now.
I'll just ask you to do some one thing, yeah. Okay, go to your terminal. Hello.
Ah, yes, bro.
Yeah, okay, go to your terminal and I'll paste in a
Can you hear
command.
me,
I just
bro?
want you to run it. Yes, I can. I'll paste a command. I just want you to run it, yeah? No, wait. I don't want you to run that command. Run the command that I've sent now. Okay.
Oh, the error is clear, bro.
Okay, just click on localhost, control plus click it.
Can you see my screen, bro?
Yes, yes,
Is
yes,
it visible?
yes. It's visible. Okay, so it's being hosted in your local host right now, but it didn't host the last time. Yeah, so there's some problems with your JSON file probably. See, I've sent you a command, right? I've sent you a command right now in the chat box. I just want you to run it in your command PowerShell or your terminal. Yeah, okay. I just want you to run this command in your terminal. And then after running this command, I just want you to type npm install. Anyone else facing any other issues here or any doubts regarding your GitHub repos or any doubts regarding hosting, anything? Anyone else? Please feel free to ask.
Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Now it's working, bro.
See, actually, it's not proper. It's not working properly. It's just your landing page is visible, but the other sub pages of your landing of your website is not working properly.
Which pages, bro?
See, can you go back to your VS Code to the terminal?
Yeah, bro. Sure.
Okay, so it has compiled, not found. Compile not found in 7.1 seconds. Compiled in 900 mm, 905 ms. Okay. It's not being able to load your website properly.
Okay, what's the
That's what it's
solution,
saying.
bro?
See, I've sent you a command in the chat box, the meetings chat box.
Yeah, okay.
Run that command first,
Okay.
and then
Should I paste it on terminal?
yes, first click Control C. Stop your local host. Stop your local host.
Should I enter, bro?
Click Control.
No,
Yes.
no, no.
Now
Sorry, sorry.
paste it. Paste that command and click Enter. No, that's not the command.
Yeah,
That's
okay,
not
wait
the
a
command.
second. It's giving error, bro.
Sorry.
Error, bro.
Give me a minute. I can't see anything in the screen. It's Control V. Okay, enter. But in the parameter cannot be found that matches the parameter in RF. Okay. Mhm. Okay. Yeah, I just have to look into it. Give me a minute. Mm. Okay. Okay, I'll send you another command. Yeah.
Okay, bro.
Try that. Or I have another command as well. Just try that first. Is it done?
Yeah, bro, it is also.
Node modules does not exist. Are you in your directory properly?
Mhm.
Sorry to
Can you
interrupt,
repeat
Nasir.
once
Am I
more?
audible?
Yes, Sujan.
Yes, he made the prompt like when he given the command first time, it was done successfully. It removed the item, so he's performing the same command again. So that's why it's showing it not be found. But
Okay.
you can look above. It has successfully removed the node modules.
Yeah. I can see it. Okay.
Abhi, can you scroll a bit, like scroll up above a bit? Am I audible, Abhi?
Abhi, are you in the meet?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, can you scroll up a little bit? Yeah, the command is already run. The command
Yes.
actually ran successfully.
Yeah. Yeah. Tell him
Okay,
to give
now
npm install and click on
now
npm
I
run
want
that.
you to run. Actually, we have to. Sujan, I think there's a problem with the package.json file.
Okay.
So we'll probably try removing it and try installing it again. What do you say?
Yeah, that will
Can
be
you repeat
better.
it once, bro?
Yeah, I'll send you another command. I'll just run it again. Okay, I've sent the
Okay, bro.
command in the chat box. Run that command as well.
ஸ்கிரீன் ரெக்கார்ட் எடுத்துட்டு போய் அங்கேயே வச்சு எழுதியிருக்க.
மாடல் எக்ஸாம்ல எங்க லேப்டாப்ல தான் மாடல் எக்ஸாம் பண்ணோம்.
Should I give npm command now, bro?
Okay, yeah. Now type npm install.
It's loading, bro.
Yes, okay. We'll just wait until it gets over. We're not even speaking. Am I audible now?
Yeah, yeah, bro.
Yeah, okay.
Why it's taking too much long, bro?
Bro, it's installing all the dependencies from the start
Okay, bro.
because your package.json file had some invalid formats probably. That is why there's some issues with hosting.
Okay, bro.
So we just have to wait until it gets over.
Does the processor matter here, bro? While it's loading?
Kind of.
Hi-Fi H series, bro.
i5 H series, right? It's not. That's
Yeah,
capable. Not an issue. Over here, the internet is also plays a role.
yeah, it's good speed, bro. Here,
Yeah.
I have good connection.
hmm Maybe your dependencies file is a big one.
Okay, bro.
Abhi will get back to you once all your dependencies are installed. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Yeah. Okay. So, is there anyone else having any other issues that you want to get solved? Okay. Tarun has one.
Can I stop? Can I stop sharing, bro?
Yes. 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 Abhi.
Okay, okay. Thank you.
bro.
Okay, Tarun. Yes, Tarun.
But I'm using 1 second, share the screen.
Yes.
Okay. If my screen is visible.
Yes.
Oh, yeah. Bro, while I published yesterday, it was published. But without my profile, was published. But today, I created one separate GitHub and
Okay.
file also is stored. So here I created yes today. So separate folder, I only HTML files alone will be there, and the images will be there. When I was
Okay.
uploading here, it was showing it is not showing some errors.
Okay, can you show me your index.html file?
Yeah, okay, 1 minute, bro. But it is coming in the server, bro.
You can see it in your live preview, but you can't see it here.
Yeah, yes, bro.
So it's probably because you have your index.html file inside the images folder. It might be probably because of that.
So what we have to do? What we have
Make
to do,
sure
bro?
all your files are in the main folder, like not in any subfolders or anything.
Oh, main folder I have to be. Okay, bro.
Yeah, try that
Then
and let me know. Yeah.
then in desktop I have to create a folder and I have to paste it this HTML file there.
Yeah, your HTML file and your images or
Images.
anything. Your images can be in any subfolders. That's not an issue.
Okay,
You
bro.
just have to specify the path of the image when specifying it in your HTML code. Okay.
Okay, bro.
Okay, okay, Tarun. Stop
Okay.
sharing that. Okay, guys. So we'll start the session today, and the remaining doubts we can clear it at the end of the session. Yeah. So I'll let Sujan take over the session now.
Okay. Good evening, people. That's already 8:30 here. Oh, am I audible to all of you first? Put plus ones in the chat. I came to the class. I think 2 3 days it have been right. So put plus one in the chat section, people. We have plus yes, plus ones in the chat. Am I audible first? Am I audible to all of you? Okay, fine, people, fine. So, how many of you here wanted my session today? How many of you here guessed like Susan won't come today? People, do you need my session today? Don't. All right. So, okay. So, without making any delays, let's get into the session today, right? So, let's make this interactive and we'll see what we have to do today, right? So, today we'll be developing an good website using HTML, CSS, JavaScript, along with some of the cloud computing technologies which we are going to use while hosting. Right. So, first thing, basically, everyone should be able to do an normal website, not React.js, NPM, those big website and all. First, we should be able to do some minimal technical websites, right? Some good amount of websites with basic requirements. First we should have like master our basics, right? So shall we master this basics, people? Shall we master the basics? Are you ready? Are you ready, master, along with me? Put plus ones in the chat. Put plus ones. We have 50 people and only 2 or 3 people are active in the chat. Okay, I'm going to share my screen and I'm going to show. Let's build everything from scratch and let's start this, right? So no GitHub I'm going to use today. I'm going to hopefully I'm going to use ChatGPT, right? And please let me know if I'm not audible in any of the in between session, right? So here I don't like this light theme. I'm going to change it to dark. Yeah. So first of all, I'm going to tell ChatGPT, right? Hey man, I need an HTML CSS page of an market. They have decided to sell online. with good looking UI and best color combinations. So the mart name is Edutou Supermarket. So people have prompted ChatGPT like the mart name is Edutou Supermarket, and these people have decided to sell the products via online e-commerce site. So I'm going to tell it to give HTML and CSS sites, CSS web code, right? So let's give this prompt and get the HTML and CSS code, and instantly, as we know, it has started development, but I don't know how feasible it's going to give us, right? So meanwhile, let's open a file and navigate to it and downloads. I'm going to play this new folder. um Edito. Yes, I'm going to select this. So just keep track of me, and you can ask any kind of doubt in between of the session, right? So I'm going to give an index.html page here. So what should we do? I have given an index.html. Let's see. Let's take the code from ChatGPT. It's finally I've done with giving 189 lines of code. Let's look how it will going to be. Right. Okay. So something like Eduto Supermarket, it has given four products here and about us contact home, but there is no home products about us contact. Right. So as next step, what should we do? We got this preview screen, we got this HTML code, we got everything okay. Chat GPT given, we have copied and pasted here over it. And what is the use? People, I'm talking to you. So we have copy pasted the code, and what are the steps that we have to perform next? What are the mandatory steps that we have to create? Is Teja here today? Teja, no? Okay, no worries. Okay, what are the steps that we have to perform again? People answer in the chat. Without answering in the chat section, I'm not going to move to the next process. I need interactivity. I need all the people to answer my questions. First of all, I'm audible, right? Nasir, am I audible?
Yes, Sujan, you're audible. Yes, Sujan.
Okay. People, Santosh, Kanimuli, Ajay, Sania Iqbal, Vignesh. Yes, yes. To create CSS and Java to attach in index.html. Okay. Good answer. Next. Only one have answered out of 50. What about remaining 49? No answers from you people. I expected lot of peoples. I expected some of the names who might given answers before this step, before I ask itself. There are still some more people who have to answer the question. The question is, I have copy pasted the code from ChatGPT and it gave me a basic site. And what is the next thing that I have to perform with? That is my question. My screen is not visible, isn't it? Sorry, isn't my screen not visible? Okay, next. Then screen is not visible. Can someone verify with this? Is my screen visible or not? Sir,
Sujan, just to make sure you're sharing your meet screen right now.
yes,
Everyone, the
yes,
meet screen is
exactly, yes.
visible, right?
Exactly, yes. And I have
So
switched it to VS Code right now.
so there's some latency actually. Okay, yeah. Now I
Yeah.
can see your VS Code screen,
Okay.
and now I can see your meet screen. So obviously there's some latency. Okay, we can manage with that.
Okay, okay. Latency, yeah, latency is not an issue, but let them see this. Okay.
Yes.
Teja, Teja came to the class today. Okay. Teja was asking guys yesterday, like, why I was not there to teach the session, but okay, today he came late to the class. Okay, that's not an worry, right? So, you people were mentioning some of the steps, right? Some of the steps you were mentioning what to do. I think you need to do some backend process on the created website, bro. Okay, Dinesh Karthik is saying. Okay, all you people are mentioning that we have to link CSS, we have to link backend, or we have to start CSS, or we have to make an CSS folder, CSS file, and have to link HTML and CSS, right? But the thing is, we already got the CSS without using CSS. We get font styles, right? Then how would we got this? Can you see here? In the head tag itself, we have something called style tag. From here, there to here. See, this is the style tag. So what if I make this code not exist? So what if I delete this code? See, only HTML rise and there is no CSS, right? So even I can use a CSS using a tag called style inside the HTML itself without going to CSS page. Without even using CSS files as new separate files, I have used the style tag inside the HTML itself, right? So you should know this kind of techniques while you are doing your production, right? Now I'm getting back to ChatGPT again. I'm going to tell it I need all the files, I need all the pages for home, that is landing page, and products, that's where I can showcase my products, and about us page, contact page separately. So I have prompted ChatGPT to give me like this, and let's see what is the result it's going to give. So this is the index.html it gave me. Let's paste it in the index.html, and you can see this is where the product.html, and let's take this and create new file dot product.html, paste this here, done. And what should I do next? I have to copy the support.html and create new HTML page and paste it over there, right? So I'm going to give this support.html and I'm going to paste it over here. Then I have to copy this contact.html also. Similarly, I have to create a new file dot contact.html, and I'm going to paste my code here. Now, people guess if I click on home products about us contact, will it redirect? Will it redirect to those things? Will it? No. Okay, Jayamurgan saying no. Let's see why not. So it is not redirecting. Yes, but it is redirecting, right? So Jayamurgan said why it won't redirect, right? But we are able to redirect here. See, it's going to about us page, and right now we are in contact page. Right now we are in products page. This is our home page, right? So now let's get into one supermarket website, right? Maybe like what we can call is grocery store or grocery website. So we have a site named graceonline.in. So let's see here what the site look like, right? And what is there in the information, right? So we are going to copy this about us and give it to ChatGPT, and we'll tell it something like this. I need with my about page, right? So I'm going to tell it, and also increase the number of products the products page, right? So I'm going to give this command to make sure the ChatGPT will make the number of projects increased, as well as it's going to give the delivery, right? So let's see how it's going to give this. I think we have a lot of changes within the products.html. So till here we can copy and we can get back to this code. Products.html is here. So we have pasted it. Then we have the about.html. But can you notice something? It have ended with p tag itself. So we should be very careful while pasting it, because till p tag only it is able to generate. So we have to paste till p tag, not the entire code. So it won't work. If I show you this, let me show you what ChatGPT has given is this, right? But what we have to paste it over, right? That is this, because we should close the HTML tag, we should close the division, we should close the footer section, everything. That's why website will be completely all right. So let's get into products. We have 5 products right now, and let's go to about us. You can see there is somewhat collision is there, isn't it? See, about us and product came like this. In about us, products is merged. In products, nothing is merged. Products looks good. Home looks good. Contact looks good. But in about us, we have our products look. I think it is merged over here. So what we should do to remove this? We should go back to ChatGPT and we have to copy only the about us code. Let's copy this. We can paste it over here, right? Make sure we'll end this, or yes, done. So let's make this go live. Like not only this home.html. So you can see we have created 4 different pages called home.html, products.html, about us.html, and contact.html, right? So we have created this basic good looking, like not we can not we can say good looking, but done. We have created this basic 4 pages website, isn't it? Right. So what we have to do to make this more increase, to make this more good, right? So I'm going to copy this index.html code now, and I'm going to tell ChatGPT in a new chat. I'm going to paste this, make this enhanced, give some cards, and generate your own content related to the grocery online store. So I'm going to give this prompt to the ChatGPT and let's see what it's going to give. Editor supermarket homepage with usually appealing product category codes, updated content, and more engaging layout while keeping it simple and lightweight. Have added future category section. Right. So let's see what is going to provide. Yes, it has given the index.html code. Let's paste it over this. Let's check. So you can come and see here, we have this featured categories thing, and what I have to add this here. I need this background dynamic. It is very static, right? It is just a single color, and people will be attracted to the colors. Am I right? People will be attracted to the colors, right? So can you tell me some good amount of colors where we can add those colors in gradient background where it will be changing all the each seconds, right? So they just asked, "Hi Susan, why are you adding lot of HTML? Now only I joined. I don't know what is this. Can you please make a small recap?" Sure, Teja. Actually, previously Nasir were debugging some of the React JS errors for the students, and I came in and I have started a class for like I am going to create an e-commerce website from scratch for an shop name called Edutou Supermarket. Yes, it is a pseudo shop. It won't exist, but we are going to make a website for them, right? So in that website, we have a lot of sections called home, products, about us, and contact. So for individual sections, we are going to create individual HTML pages. That's what we are done, right? People, are you like, are you alive? Or you just kept your mobiles and PCs away and you went off somewhere? People, give one plus one, na. Put plus ones in the chat. I'm speaking to you. I'm speaking to you. Who is exactly listening to my class? I'm speaking to you. Yes? Okay. Okay. You people are available. Only you people are available. No others. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 people only available. Okay. 16, 17, 18. Good. 18 people. 19. Who's this? Okay. Okay, Abhi. You are available. I agree. Okay, fine. So I need mm, I will call someone to give some colors. Okay, Dinesh Karthik, are you able to unmute yourself, man? Unmute yourself and tell me your favorite colors. 2 to 3 colors you have to tell me. Dinesh Karthik, are you there? Are you listening to the class? I'm asking you to unmute yourself and you have to tell 2 to 3 colors. 2 to 3 favorite colors. You can tell. You can't unmute. Then you can type. Who can unmute? Ajay N, can you unmute? Ajay N, can you unmute yourself and you can tell 2 to 3 favorite colors? No? You're not able to tell? Okay, okay, wait. Let me ask someone. Mr. Nasir, are you here?
Yes, Sujan.
Can you tell me your favorite colors?
My favorite colors.
Mm,
Okay, so I'll go with dark blue, something called the navy blue.
okay.
We'll go with white, and we'll also go with you know what? We'll go with white, navy
Mm,
blue, and yellow.
yellow. Great
Yes.
combination.
Thank you, man. I'll take that
Okay.
as a compliment.
Okay, let's see. Let's see the output. Okay, I'm
Yeah,
going to
yeah.
tell ChatGPT, hey, I need an gradient background where it will be what? Glowing. Glowing and changing colors. Right. So the colors are this, and I have given the input. So got it here, say glowing animated gradient background. Okay, okay, sir. I just need the color. Okay. So it has given some CSS for this. Let's go to VS Code. And you can look people, it didn't give full code, right? It only gave the thing which is used to determine the background function for the animated gradient background, right? So it didn't give the full code. So in this case, we should know where to copy and where to paste this code. So I'm going to copy this and looking for index.html. There is already a section called body. So we should replace this, right? So I'm going to take I'm going to take from this bracket to this body and I'm going to paste this here. When you can see there is some gaps mistake, so I'm going to correct this mistake properly and defining this, because this and all is important to remember while you are doing some of the operations with ChatGPT, right? So I have done this. Let's look into the output. See, in the future category section, we have yellow, like kind of orange, kind of white is interacting, but I don't see blue and things, right? Is this good? Let's go to VS Code again and let's change these colors. I need kind of this blue and I've changed the color white. Okay, blue, white, and this blue and somewhat this violet. Let's look how it will going to look. Wow, it is nice, isn't it? The violet, uh, sky blue, and let's make this white also with some dark color, right? So let's look. People, isn't it good? The gradient color is automatically changing in the background, and like once you come across this section, you'll be like, wow, this is good. Definitely, we should give a try, right? So people will be attracted to colors more than the content what we have in the website. So, and another thing, this featured category should be in white color, right? So let's go to this, and we can see this is H3, right? And we can find where is the H3 in CSS. Yes, this is here, and we are going to change the color to white. That's it. So you can see the featured categories is now turned into white, and it is looking very good in the website. Am I wrong? Put +1 in the chat if you like this. Put +1 in the chat if you like this, like the gradient colors, right? Put +1s, people. Put +1s. Put +1s. Okay. Okay. Will you be able to perform this when I call your name and when I tell you to present? Will you be able to present this? Right? Yes. So we have tried using ChatGPT, right? And we have to like utilize the maximum amount of thing that it will be able to do. We have to utilize each and every instance. We have to utilize the maximum capacity of what ChatGPT is able to do, right? And we should not be using like what ChatGPT should be able to give. Like rather than what it should be able to give, we should use what it should be able to can, right? So maximum amount you
Sujan, your voice breaking, Sujan.
for
Sujan,
making this website GPT again.
Sujan.
Hello, am I audible, man? Am I audible? Am I audible?
Yes, yeah. So your voice was breaking for the past
Right
two
now, am I audible?
minutes.
Okay, okay. It
Yes.
is stable right now?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay, thank you. Fine. So you can see there is another thing. Optional, add soft glow. If you want extra glow effect, you can add this. It is saying. So let's copy this line and let's see what extra effect it has given to us. Where is the body? It is here. And we'll paste this over here. What glow it has came, people? Can you? Yeah, something changed it, right? Okay, not much difference. Let's go to ChatGPT again. Now, let's give the updated code because we have changed the colors manually from our end, right? So we have to give the colors to maintain those same colors. Okay, maintain same colors, and I need some of the star animation to be running on top of the website. So I'm going to give this code and I'm going to tell the chat GPT like I need some of the star glowing animation. So what I will get, animated stars, smooth integration over your existing and use CSS only. So it's not going to integrate any kind of other technologies like Tailwind CSS, Bootstrap and all. So I'm going to just copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. I have to delete this. Now it will be good. Let's see. But I didn't got the animation. Why? What happened? Yeah, there is one more style test here. Yes, now we got this. But what we have to notice is mm, there is scroll is not coming right. So we have to check either what happened. Okay, we can copy this index.html full code and get back to ChatGPT and tell I need full code. So let's tell like this. Full enhanced HTML code, glowing gradient background, animated stars overlay, clean layout and styles. Okay, fine. Let's see how this um code billion modules LLM, which is large language module, will going to provide us some of the good code where we can integrate the code within the website. Let's see. So this is where we are going to get the stars overlay, page content. Okay, it has given. Let's check. But we are not able to scroll. And I don't see any kind of stars here. Okay, let's do one thing. Let's undo this code. Let's check. We have something here. Okay, now what shall we do? We don't got the star animation from ChatGPT, right? Let's use Cody right now. So index.html. I need you to integrate an star animation in the index.html page. So I'm going to give this prompt to the Cody. Let's see how it's going to perform. Like either and this is Claude, right? People, what I'm using with the Cody is Claude module. So ChatGPT is one of the tool which have the GPT 4.0 model as an LLM, and here Cody is a tool which have Claude 3.7 as an LLM, right? So I'm going to use Claude for generating this code. Let's see what is going to do with the star animation, and I'm going to tell it to apply this in the code, and I'm asking to apply it in the index.html. Let's see how it's going to do. Okay, if I'm not able to apply, I can simply copy this and I can simply replace this. That's it. And yes, people, you can see stars are coming and going. Stars are there. You can see some of the stars were integrated. Are you able to see this, guys? We have achieved this. Stars are there, but little bit, but no worries. Stars are there. Uh, this is good. Stars are there. On top of it, we have some of the cards, and we have the glowing color animation also. Isn't this good? Put plus ones in the chat. Put plus one in the chat if it is good. Good. So you have learned integrating some of the background animation to the website, right? So see, you can actually the colors is good, isn't it? Okay, let's get back to Cody and let's tell it. We need an responsive design. So kindly consider the entire website. Make this an answer here on UI. So I have given a prompt. We need a responsive design. So kindly consider the entire website and make this an answer with your own UI. So it has given a response. I will create a fully responsive design with enhanced UI for your Editor supermarket. Here is a comprehensive redesign that maintains your brand identity while adding modern elements, star animation, etc. So it is going to give me the index.html, it seems. And you can see there is one of the image that has been given. Let's see. Claude is performing better in the code generation when we compare ChatGPT 4.0. But both have its own pros and cons. We should not monitor, like we should not judge LLMs like this. Both will have their positives and negatives. Some of the large language modules will have their own expertise on doing something good. I don't know what happened, but it stopped because of a large amount of code. Let's tell this continue. Let me continue with the responses section and complete the HTML file. People, I'm audible. Okay, I'm audible, it seems. It's given something. It is trying to give the like background animation for the entire website, it seems. Let's see. Section title after card button. Yes, card button over feature newsletters. Okay. Footer it should okay, footer section, okay. Then back to top section. Yes. Responsive design. Okay. I think it is only able to give till this. I need HTML. The content. We didn't got the content yet. I apologize for the confusion. Let me provide you with the complete HTML structure for the enhanced supermarket website. It's only yes. Here we got this style. Yes, we can copy from here and we can directly go to this. See, it has given a lot of sections: footer section, newsletter section. It has given new category section. It has given contact section, copyright section. It has given JavaScript also. Good. JavaScript is the animation part for the CSS, it seems. So let's paste it over here. People, see something magic happened to the website. Let's check it out. Editor supermarket, home, shop fresh, shop smart. See, we got a button now. You can see the background, it is very nice. Why chooses? There is a transparent card here, and there is something a box called subscribe to our newsletter here, and we have another thing called the footer also here. Isn't this website good? And I don't like this green color. How many of you don't like this green color like me? How many of you don't like the green color? Put plus ones in the chat. Or put -1 in the chat if you don't like. Put -1 in the chat if you don't like. Put +1 in the chat if you like. Okay, a lot of people don't like the green color. Like, okay, that's good. So let's go and change this green. I don't like greens obviously, but I like, but I don't like this kind of green in this website. So where is the green? I should search the background. Let's go and click this inspect. And where is the element? Let's check. So this one right here is shop. And okay, this okay, let's search here. Like if something should be in the style itself, style only. We didn't find any kind of green here. Hero section. Yeah, see people we have here. You can see this root colors. So I'm going to change it for blue. Not this kind, but something like this. I'm going to change this also. So I have changed this colors. Let's go back to the website and let's look. Okay. Wow, people, we got something good. Editor supermarket, shop fresh, shop smart. See, we got some of the cards here, and we got some of the things here, right? And it is good. The UI is now looking good, more good than previous. With zero lines of coding, we have ended up to some good amount of creating this website, right? So this is how we should be able to have a structure inside our mind while we are uh, generating this website using ChatGPT and Cody AI tools. Or it would like, will you like this? Did you like the session? Did you like the creation of HTML website and doing some UI modifications using ChatGPT and Cody? Put plus ones in the chat section. Put plus ones, put plus ones. Let's see how many plus ones is going to come. Vinay, do you want to speak something? Do you want to ask any kind of doubts? You are raising your hand? No. Okay. Teja is giving infinite plus ones. Thank you, man. Thank you for your effort. Thank you. Plus, plus, plus infinite. Thank you. Okay. It is good. It is good, right? So this is how we can change our UI. Before getting into React JS, NPM, before going into node package managing everything, you first we should like make this basics more stronger, right? We should have this thinking mind. We should have this the design process behind the website, everything should be ours, right? So this is what I wanted you people to show that using these tools we'll be able to generate a website like this. And this design is good. I'm seeing this design again and again because it is good. Shop fresh, shop smart. Good. When we come across to products, you can see the chat GPT static website what it gave. The same thing, but we didn't change it, right? We didn't change the product section, we didn't change the about us contact everything. So now we got an assignment, big assignment for you. So end of the project, what we have actually, my voice is breaking. People, am I audible now? Am I audible now? Am I audible now? Hello, hello, hello. Put plus ones in the chat. Am I audible now? Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So previously Nasir gave the assignment, right? How many of you completed? Put plus one in the chat. How many have completed the task which is assigned by Nasir to you people? Good, 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 good. I see. I see. Some of you people have already completed. So once you complete the task, you can go to GitHub, and in GitHub you can create your repository, and in the collaborator list you can add Editor Skill Academy's GitHub account as a collaborator. Nasser will share you the GitHub credentials in the WhatsApp after an hour, one within an hour or two, right? So you can add the GitHub collaborator account, Editor Skill Academy GitHub collaborator account as a collaborator in your GitHub repository once you have done with your task. So like all of you, like how was the session today? How was the session today? I was showing you and design UI updation process in the HTML and CSS website, right? And I did not make this for like there is a cause behind this. There is a real reason why I made this website. Now you people, I think I'm audible to all of you. So now let me share my screen. So now we have this website, right? We have this editor supermarket. So this is your final assignment. So I'm going to share this code. You can see this is the HTML, like this is the in home page, this is the product page, this is about the page, this is a contact page. Like, so this is an good website right now, which we have only UI, HTML, and CSS defined, and some of the JavaScript also defined. Right? We didn't don't have a backend. We don't have an dynamic SQL where the products will be updated. We don't have an payment gateway integration, and we don't have an something which can be added to the cart and which can be ordered to the page, and we don't have something that makes login to the account and all, right. So now I'm going to give you the assignment that you have to complete this Editor Supermarkets uh, e-com website in with your own styles, right? So what I have done right now, I won't share the code with you. I won't give the resources, but once you submit your assignment, I will share the resources. Sure, that's not an issue. But you have to create your own Editor Skill Academies. Sorry, Editor Grocery, Editor Supermarkets own e-com website, and you have to submit this before Sunday, because today is day 7th and tomorrow is the day 8, right? So, and I feel everyone, we have completed 7 days of session in this Editor Skill Academy, and we are stepping for the 8th day tomorrow. And your course content is over. Your course content is over. You can watch the recording session as long as you wish, because you have a lot of things. Abhi or Prajapati, you have board exam on Tuesday. Okay, study Monday. What you are doing on like Sunday? Sunday you won't be you won't be like having lot of sessions. Sunday we'll be only having felicitation, man. So don't worry. You will be free on Sunday. And the people, I want you to say that we have 200 plus people registered this course, but only 50 plus were listening properly, and we have only 37 people on the meet right now. Right. So tomorrow we are having webathon. I think in the starting session, I told you that we have a day 8, right? So we have something called day 8, right? So day 8 will be having an webathon, webathon, something similar to hackathon. So what we'll be going to do in this webathon tomorrow, we'll be having a 4 hours online session, a 4 hours virtual session, same in this teams. So everyone will be doing their own work. So in this tomorrow's webathon, we'll be having an task to you. So those tasks you have to complete in the 4 hours, and you have to submit to the class. So once 4 hours is done, the one who is going to submit in the 10 minutes of gap will be considered for the valuation. So after the 10 minutes, we won't accept any kind of submissions in the chat. Tomorrow we have 4 hours of session, and we have 4 hours of webathon. Like we won't be having a session for 4 hours and all. There will be an initiation process for 20 to 30 minutes. We'll be having the session, and after that we'll be leaving the session. So you timing will be counting on. Once 4 hours is done, you can submit your website within 10 minutes of time with the group. In the WhatsApp group, you can just put your GitHub's link, what you have done. So tomorrow I will tell you what you have to create and what you have to do tomorrow, and everything is there. Tomorrow timing, yes, we'll be starting the session by evening 6 o'clock, and we'll be ending the session, ending everything by tomorrow 10 o'clock. Like, I won't restrict you to stay within the meet itself. There is no restriction to stay within the meet itself, because meet will be there for the first 20, 10 to 20 minutes. Like 6, we'll be starting the session tomorrow at 6 p.m. and we'll be ending the session by 6:30 p.m. And you'll be getting all the instructions, directions, and what you have to perform tomorrow. And once 6:30 is came and the meeting is ended, you can start developing your website. And by end of 10:10, everyone should submit your assignments. So the one who is going to submit this project assignment by tomorrow will get an certificate of submitting, and certificate of like that will be stating that you will be eligible to create websites within a static and basic simple manner, right? So we are going to give award the certificate for the people also, right? And the people who only submit those projects will getting the workshop certificate. So keep in mind, I think everyone, all of you have joined for this course of certificate, right? So you have to get the certificate, and you can share in LinkedIn, you can give it to your mentors, you can make it a good process in your career. So the certificate will be issued only if you submit the assignments on the websites what I told you, right? Put +1 in the chat people put plus one. We have 36 people and I need 36 plus ones. I'll be sharing the link in the group itself. And we'll be adding 4, 5. No duplicates, please. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Only 18 people are responding and 36 people. Okay, 19. We got 19. 20. Okay. Okay, I think you got my instructions, what I told you, right? Tomorrow we'll be having in section for 6 o'clock to 6:30 p.m. and we'll be telling you the instruction and direction, what kind of website we need and what you have to prepare in 4 hours of time, right? And once the time is over, you have to submit within 10:10. You can send your GitHub's link in the group itself, and we'll be posting the instructions too in the WhatsApp right now. Once the meeting ends, right after that you can get your website on like after that you can get the felicitation certifications in the felicitation on Sunday. So Sunday we don't have a class. We'll be ending this workshop. I feel this was very good experience to me, to my team, and you as well, right? Lot of things we have also learned and lot of things we have also taught to you. This is kind of good and you can put some feedbacks, right? Today is the final day and on Sunday we'll be sharing you with an Google form how the session went and the entire feedback of the workshop you can provide on Sunday. We'll be sharing in Google form and you can submit your feedbacks there, and it is mandatory to submit your feedbacks to get the certificate, right? Okay, thank you, Monish. Thank you. Okay, people will be ending the session. Nasir, you can take care from here, man. I'm leaving. Bye, bye, people.
So guys, I hope everyone had a good session right here, right? So right, okay, 10 stars. Okay, thank you, Shiva. So what do you think about this 7-day workshop? How did it go? How did it go for all of you here? How did it go? Hmm? Did it go well? Did you people learn something new? Are you capable of learning coding from scratch? Did you people now do you all have an idea about what web development is? Okay, how to solve my error? Yes, yes, Abhi, we'll solve it. We'll solve it. We'll solve it. Okay, so we'll solve your error right now. Thank you, Dinesh. Thank you. Okay, Abhi, you can share your screen and we can debug your code. Thank you, Brahmani. You say again about the assignment given by us. Okay, so you people were supposed to submit a portfolio website about yourself today, and I don't know how many people here has submitted it, but whoever has whoever has actually created the website can post it in your GitHub repository. I'll send you the Edutou Skill Academy's credentials within 60 minutes so that you can add the Edutou Skill Academy's account as a collaborator in your GitHub repository so that we can evaluate your project. Okay. Any other doubts? Okay. Okay. So Abhi, it says that you had a network issue there and couldn't install your npm packages. Abhi, can you speak? Hello? Abhi, can you listen? Right. So there are a few errors you can see here. It has occurred when you were installing your npm packages. So it says that you had some network connectivity issues and couldn't install every dependencies here. I have published the assignment. I have to copy the link. Okay, so Shiva, if you go to your Netlify dashboard, you can see if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the sites that have been deployed from your account. If you click on the site, which is actually the one that you've hosted regarding your portfolio, you can copy. The link will be visible on the top of the screen itself. Okay, Abhi, so that I have mentioned it, right? You had a bad internet connectivity. Okay, anyone here has any other doubts regarding your hosting and regarding the workshop? Anything? As Sujan mentioned, you will only be awarded with a certificate only if you submit all the projects, meaning you'll have to submit this project and also you'll have to submit your final project as well. Only then your projects will be evaluated and you'll be awarded with a certificate. Because a certificate is a token of appreciation to the people who actually put in efforts, right? So we just really can't, you know, give certificates to everyone here because there are people who are sincerely putting in hard work and there are people who are not taking this sincerely. So there has to be a difference between both of them here. Yes, Shiva, you can. Give me a minute. Yeah, let Abhi's problem get solved here. Right. Okay, Tarun, you have raised your hand. What is the issue, my guy? What is the issue, Tarun?
Same problem only, bro. But deploying it, it is not coming, bro. While asking the
The
website,
deployment is
you
not,
told,
it's
yeah,
not
you
happening
told,
yet.
yeah, you told to put your files in the desktop and use GitHub
Yes.
and take that and deploy it, but it's not coming.
Okay,
But
so
in server, it is coming. Host it is.
do you have your GitHub repository right now?
Yeah, yes, yes.
Okay, can you send me the GitHub repositories link in the chat right now?
Ah, okay.
Yes, please. Tarun, did you send your GitHub repos chat? I
Yeah,
mean, link in
I
the chat?
sent. Ah,
Okay, I don't see. Okay, right. Okay, okay. Let me clone this and try hosting it by myself. Yeah, I'll tell you if there's anything.
okay.
much time to submit today, Simon? Okay, I hope, I wish, I mean, I would want you all to be ready with your projects by the end of the day, meaning 12 a.m. You know what? I'll give you people some extra time. I'll give you I'll give you time till tomorrow. Okay? I'll be generous here. You know. Okay. Right.
So people have shared the assignment task in the WhatsApp group. You can check it out and you can follow the assignment and submit by tomorrow. Okay. So I'm leaving the session. Bye bye everyone for joining. Thanks everyone for joining today and bye everyone. Have a good day. Bye. And Nasir, we can conclude the meet, man.
Yes,
End
yes.
the session.
Okay,
Yeah.
Tarun, I'll host your website and I'll send you the link by within 10 minutes, yeah? And I'll tell you what's wrong with your website, right? Okay, Tarun has left the meet. Nice. And Abhi will I'll tell you what's wrong with your hosting services as well. I'll look into your problems, right? Okay. Okay, guys, I'll conclude the meet.